If you're in the market for a family-friendly SUV, Volkswagen reckon they might have just the thing. It's powerful, spacious, has a completely configurable interior and all the advantages of clean green hybrid technology. Thing is though, it's not actually an SUV. It's the Volkswagen Multivan. With a direct lineage to the legendary Combi, the all-new T7 Multivan features a game-changing new design and, for the first time, a plug-in hybrid drivetrain. If you want your family to travel in style and comfort and reduce your carbon footprint along the way, then the Volkswagen Multivan will tick plenty of boxes. Powering the new Multivan is a 1.4 litre petrol engine combined with a 13 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. Together they provide for 160 kilowatts peak power and 350 newton-meters of torque. The beauty of the system is that you can actually run the vehicle on just the battery power alone. It gives you around 50 kilometres range, which is perfect for the everyday commute. While the T7 Multivan arrives with all the benefits of a decently proportioned van, underneath it's built on the same platform that underpins most of Volkswagen's current passenger vehicle range. This helps make the Multivan quiet and refined on the road and very car-like to drive. Features such as park distance control, a rear view camera system and other driver assistance technologies make the Multivan as easy and comfortable to drive as a standard SUV. But inside, the Multivan is far from standard. In fact, it's here in the rear where this clever, configurable vehicle really comes into its own. There's seating for 7 overall, but these 5 seats back here can be rearranged depending on how you're using your Multivan on any given day of the week. In fact, if you really want to make the most of the load lugging capabilities of the Multivan, you can remove them entirely. Volkswagen has designed the seats in the Multivan to be repositioned in just a couple of easy steps. They're also 25% lighter in the latest version, meaning it's easier than ever to swap out extra seats for more cargo space when needed. Equally adaptable, the sliding multifunction table is a useful addition if you're working on the go or to help keep the kids entertained on a long trip out of town. Oh, and naturally, those sliding doors are powered for extra convenience, as is the rear tailgate. So while the Volkswagen Multivan is technically part of Volkswagen's commercial vehicle lineup, there's nothing utilitarian about it at all. The surface materials, the upholstery, everything is top quality. You've got this amazing Discover Media system in front of you, which has a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and you've got satellite navigation as standard. This thing arrives with all the bells and whistles. There are 2 grades of Volkswagen Multivan on the New Zealand market, starting at $78,800 plus on-road costs. In fact, the entry-level family grade Multivan also qualifies for the Clean Car rebate, adding even more value for money. Designed from the outset to put passengers before cargo, the 5-star NCAP safety-rated Multivan boasts an impressive amount of safety specification. This includes a standard front assist area monitoring system, which encompasses city emergency braking, cruise control and lane assist. Outside, energetic grade Multivans like this one also feature Volkswagen's latest IQ Light LED matrix headlights and LED taillights for superior visibility at night. Volkswagen is so often the personification of practical, and you can't get much more practical than the new T7 Multivan. German engineering underneath ensures it has all the pace of a conventional SUV, but here it's the space that really sets it apart.
Volkswagen.